My name is Hayder. I'm from Sudan. I live in Belfast and I play football, professional football before in Sudan. Sport, it's important, especially for me. Communication with the people, to make friends. They teach us about the value of life. I learn about value, like digital skills. As I said, we need it for our daily pace of life, like a right and responsibility laws in UK here. So it's useful. It's built my confidence to gain, like, acknowledge my future aim, to be professional in North Ireland here. I feel when I was in Belfast, I feel like I'm back in my home. So I appreciate this course.